Satan's your crown. I've worn it so long, but God for my soul has reached down. His love set me free, and He made me His own, and He helped me cast off Satan's crown. When I live my life so reckless and evil, I'm drinking and running around the things I would do for the will of the devil. I was giving my soul to Satan's your crown. Satan's your crown. I want it so long, but God for my soul has reached down. His love set me free, and He made me His own, and He helped me cast off Satan's jewel crown. Well, I were a king and ruler of the nation, where jewels and diamonds were found. But I'd rather know that I had salvation than to give my soul to Satan's jewel crown. Satan's jewel crown. I want it so long, but God for my soul has reached down. His love set me free, and He made me His own, and He helped me cast off Satan's jewel crown, and He helped me cast off Satan's jewel crown.
Thank you very kindly. That winds our portion up here. We'll be back at, let me see, I ain't too sure what time we do come back on here. Oh, we'll be back on with another show. Bedford Grass comes on here next. We'll be back here at 8:30 to 9 with another half-hour show. And, of course, till then, just stick around, put your hands together, and make the music work. They'll do it for you. All you have to do is applaud. Let's see how much noise we can make. All of them. Oh, you know, first thing you know, my music quits, and then I'd be in bad shape. All righty, you open your big mouth, you do one. Yeah, go ahead.
I know how to get down. Banjo